Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today is a new video I'm so excited about. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add your mandalas onto metal rings. So there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. I'm going to show you my favorite, what it looks like and how it works. And I'm really excited about this one because mandalas are so pretty, but sometimes you just don't know what to do with them. You could starch them and you could use them and lay them down on a table and put like a bowl or something on that. But I personally love to hang mine up. I just think they're too pretty to not. So I'm gonna grab my metal ring and my finished mandala and let's get started. Hi friends, real quick, when you click the link below to join Happily Hooked magazine, not only do you get to join the happiest place on earth for crocheters, you're also gonna get these amazing hooks and this amazing project bag that I use every single day. So click the link below and subscribe today and I'll see you in the community. Bye! Alright, so like I said, today I'm gonna show you all how to attach a mandala to a crochet metal hoop thing. Just the little craft hoop. I got these at Joann's. They're just like a gold color little metal hoops, but I like to attach my mandalas to them because I think it's a really pretty way to show them. So this pattern is from the February 2021 Pattern Pack Pro. I will have the designer and the name of it up here on the screen for you. I modified it because they used a smaller yarn. I used Red Heart Super Saver, which is a worsted weight. I think they use like a 2-weight yarn, so mine is not like all the way done. I stopped mine quite a few rows early because it's a bigger mandala, but I liked this design, so I was okay with it because my hoop was smaller. To measure that, I just would make a round and I'd plop it in here and see if I liked it. So this is where mine ended. So the two main ways that I use to attach a mandala to a hoop is I crochet it onto the hoop or I weave it onto the hoop. So I'll show you how to crochet it to start. So I just left my yarn attached here and then I grab my hook, and I was using a 5mm hook, so obviously you use whatever you want to. And I go into the stitch and I go around the hoop and make a single crochet. And I would just do this all the way around my mandala. And you can use any kind of stitch. If we wanted to, we could do a half double crochet, and it would make it a little taller on the outside of the hoop. And I just like the single crochets. I think they're nice and cute and small. And it is a little tricky to get used to because the metal hoop doesn't bend like crochet does. But you can crochet all the way around your hoop. And it looks like that. And then it'll pull the mandala kind of into place. It's almost like it blocks it for you as you crochet all the way around. Now the other way, I'm going to end up crocheting this one onto the hoop, but the other way you can do it is we'll take it out. And then obviously this is not the amount of yarn you would need. You would need quite a bit more. But say you just didn't want to crochet it because it was too tricky for you, which I completely understand. I normally don't. I just like the look of it with this one. You can take your tapestry needle and just loop it around your hoop. Which I think is a really fun way as well, because then once you get it all the way around, it kind of creates like its own version of a whole nother row around the outside of your hoop. So I think it's really pretty when you do it this way as well. So these are just two ways. You could also crochet like a really long chain and use the chain to sew it on there. You could make an I-cord or a Romanian I-cord, or use a rope, or like jute yarn or something like that. You could, there's just a ton of ways. You could use fishing line, and that would make it like clear, so you wouldn't even be able to tell how it was put on here. Courtney over in our members community, she made an entire mandala using those twinkle fairy lights. Oh my gosh, it was stunning. But yeah, so that's how it would look if you just looped it around, which I think is gorgeous. I think it's so much fun, and it'll pull it into place and everything will be even all the way around. But yeah, those are just the two ways that I like to do it. It's nice and simple and easy, especially once you've made a mandala and you've put all that work into it. You're probably tired by the end of it and just want a simple way to make it look nice. And then once you get it done, you can add fringe at the bottom of it or leave it the way that it is. I like to add fringe because it's my daughter's favorite thing on these, so I add a lot of fringe. But yeah. So I hope this helps. I know this isn't a super long video, and these are pretty simple ways to do it, but I've had quite a few questions, especially because we have a ton of gorgeous mandalas in so many of our issues. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments below. And if you happen to make any of our gorgeous designs, make sure you tag me over on Instagram so I can share them with the community. And I hope you have a great day. Bye guys.